everyone, welcome back to the Diabetic Diet Show. Here's a quick tip for you. Hey William, I got a quick tip for us today. You know how normally when you cook tortillas, if you have a gas stove, you might try to throw these on a gas stove, or you might try to put these in a pan and heat them up. People try all kinds of things. They make this little crazy thing here that goes over your burners, and you can put them over your burners like that. But you know, I have an easy way. I showed these in one of our other videos. These are cooking bags, and they come in a couple of different sizes, and they say that you can use them like 50 times and you can run them through the dishwasher. So there's a large and there's a small. But here's my trick. My trick is just to put your tortilla in here like this, and then put it inside your toaster, just like that. Here's another one. And the best part is when we're all done, we get to eat these tortillas.
That's pretty neat.
And I have some cheese, which is for another show we're doing. Maybe we'll put some of that mozzarella on these, because you should put mozzarella on everything. So there we go. We just put those in there. I kind of fold them a little bit. Like if they're too big, like and these are for making grilled cheese too. So if you're going to make grilled cheese sandwiches, you just put your cheese on your bread, put your bread in this bag, cook it up, and it's ready to go. Here we go. I guess we have time to tell everybody, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Please hit the bell button if you'd like to be notified when some new videos come out. If you think this is a good idea, hit that thumbs up button. It gives us some feedback. And also too, if you want to leave a comment, I love to read everybody's comments. I look every day for all the comments that everybody leaves us. I think it's a pretty neat thing. These bags here are by Kitchen-Me. There is a whole list of these bags, which I'll have if you hit the subscribe button and then the more button. You'll see the whole list of these bags. There must be a dozen manufacturers of them. Is it supposed to be smoking, Bill?
Just tell me.
Yay! All done, and they are hot. I thought I brought a plate out. Did I bring out a plate?
Right here.
All right, yeah, bring a plate over here. Let's take a look, because these are really hot. And you can set your toaster to whatever setting you want. I left it on the same setting that I use for toasters. But these are nice and hot. Look at that, huh? My best friend, his brother, buys these things by the box. He loves tortillas like I love bread. So, now what I think we ought to do, because we have a few minutes until our dinner is done, I think we ought to do an experiment. Just like this. Some cheese right in the middle. Now it might be better to use solid cheese.
Yeah.
I don't know. We'll find out. If this don't work, we blame your mother.
Hey.
Oops. Barb's our floor producer. She's just right over here, and she says that anything goes wrong is our fault, not hers. Okay, now I'm going to do it again, because it didn't burn, so
Right.
that was pretty cool, huh? It was smoking a little bit. I was worried I might have to go for the fire extinguisher. I got the fire extinguisher and I got the oxygen bottle. Better not get the two of them mixed up. One of them goes out and the other one goes big.
There it is.
Here we go. It is hot. It's hotter than it was before, which is, you know, because of the cheese. Barb's laughing at us. She likes to watch us burn our fingers. Now we have the pizza cutter, just do like this with a pizza cutter. Joke's on her because the cheese is all at the bottom. So I was going to cut this in 4s for the 3 of us, but, well, I'll be nice. I'll share mine with Barb. I'll do them like little wedges. These are pretty cool. So you're watching TV and you want... Now, I'll tell you something else you can do, William, is you could put a little bit of spaghetti sauce on that and then put your cheese on. And if you really want to get fancy, I have the bigger ones as well. I bought these. These are the bigger ones. Okay, and you can make little pizzas out of these. You could put spaghetti sauce on them. You could put
salsa.
Salsa. When I make pizzas at home, for sausage, I use brown and serve. It's pre-cooked. Throw it in the microwave for 1:30 seconds, and then I'll put it like in the toaster oven for another minute or 2, and just brown it up. But you don't have to. There you go. That's today's quick tip. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe in the lower right-hand corner. And if you'd like to be notified about future shows, click the bell that's right up on the top. And also, more information is at my website, jamestdds.blogspot.com.